Hello again, peoples. Up in front of the camera again, we have got that vacuum cleaner one more time. You'll be pleased to know that I've managed to clean it out and restore it and get it working again. There we go, nice clean fan. There we go, all nice and clean in there now. And of course the way I'll clean that out is to get another vacuum cleaner and just stuff that straight on there like that. I had the had this enclosure open, had the motor right out, and then I've got this from this vacuum cleaner, so I used one vacuum cleaner to clean out another, put that on there like that, started it up, and that made that scream up like a jet engine turbine. And yeah, it sucked all the rubbish out of it, and as you can see it's nice and clean in there now. See? Nice and clean. And that's magic. Absolute magic. Works a treat. So there we go, that's that sorted out. Let's zoom out again. Now then, I've always wanted to know how one of these works. This thing where it rolls all the wire in. Because one thing that's really often baffled me about these is when you wind that flex in, how the other end of the flex doesn't get all tangled up and twisted. Okay, I'll just pull all the flex out now. You see it unwinds like so. And the way basically one of these works is inside there you've got something which is equivalent to a set of brushes. Okay, and obviously speaking, as you pull that out, that thing gets tighter and tighter because there's a big coiled spring inside there which has got to suck all that flex back in. There you go, it disappears inside there. Okay, like so, and then that's it, that's the all of it pulled out. Now if I remove that mechanism just by lifting that out there like that, there you go, and then that just lifts out, I believe. I've had this out before earlier on today. I may need to actually push a bit more flex in so I can lift it out. This just lifts out. So I'm trying to do this with one hand. There we go. Right, that's how it works. So you've got a set of contacts in there. That one there and that one there. There's one of the contacts right there. You see? Just there. And there's the other one just in there. And that's how one of those things works, without these wires getting all tangled around that. As that rotates and pulls all that flex back in, there's the two contacts there that goes all the way around inside there, and the other one's live and the other one's neutral. There's one contact there and there's the other one there. And as you can see, there's been a bit of rubbing on that already. But yeah, that's how one of those works. And then these wires here disappear into that electronics and that switch on there. Okay, that's the speed control there. And there we go. So let's just assemble this back together carefully now. There's the little thing for winding all the flex in. There's a brake there, that's a brake, and that there, you press that and that what winds it all back in. Let's just put that back in there carefully now. Yeah, in it goes. It should go back in ever so easily, but I'm trying to do this with one hand, of course. There we go, that's back in there. There. So that's that fully reassembled now. Let's just put the guide wires, that's why I had trouble getting it back in, that wire. Let's put the guide wires back in the little guides. In they go, like so. I'm trying to do this with one hand, which is a bit difficult. There we go. And the little switch goes back into its little compartment there. Put those guide wires back in the little guides. In they go, like so. There you go, that's a little switch there. not really that sort of secured in there that well, that switch. I would have thought that would have been... oh, hang on, we got company people. Tobias! Come say hello to everyone. Meow. Well, you want to go in? Oh, then, in you go. Cheerio, Tobias. Yeah, it was a brief appearance from the Tobias there. But back to this vacuum cleaner though, peoples. Just put these wires back in for the guides. Like so. Make sure nothing is going to get tangled in anything. And then, that there, when you press that, that thing is going to go whizzing round and suck all that flex in. Okay, that's the little enclosure for that fan. I should put that on in a minute. And we'll screen this up and you can hear it. Okay, I don't know how this is going to behave. Oh, there we go. Whee! That's whizzing in there quite fast actually. Let's see if I can restrict it a bit. Oh my goodness. There you go. See, it's pulling all the flex in. Why has it stopped? Come on, you can't stop now. There it goes, pulling all that flex in. There's a little break down there. Oh, it's stopped. Oh, that's why it's twisted again. Here comes the plug. There we go. And all the flex is stored in there. That's it, people. Now what I'm going to do is put that on. Now that there, that's a little pressure relief thing. Okay, if that gets completely blocked, that little thing in there, I'll just take it out. There we go. That little thing, there's a little spring in there. See, like that. That's what that is. It's like a little springy thing. And it opens up to let air in. So you can see my finger in there. I'll demonstrate that bit in a minute, and that just goes inside that hole there. That lives in there like that, like so. There we go. And then that just goes on like that. There we go. That enclosure's back on now. Screwdriver, and we're going to just do that up. There we go. And there. And there it is. That's all complete now. Let's get a little control knob. I'm just going to plop that on there like that. We're going to start this up now. Okay, if you've got headphones on, be warned, this is going to get noisy. Let's take our plug out. Don't forget, always take all of the flex out of there. Okay, so let's unwind all that flex back out. Okay, now I don't really advise using appliances while they're opened up like this, because there's electronics around there with exposed connections which are probably going to be live when I start all this up. So let's put this in the fun jiggery pokery unit, like so. I've got a feeling that's turned off. Okay, right, here we go. Press the switch. And there it is, peoples. One cleaned up, fully restored. vacuum cleaner fan motor. And there we go. Right, it's just unplugged for safety. There we go, it's unplugged. And there we go, that really is it. So that's one rescued vacuum cleaner. Now then, more good news, okay. I've contacted the previous owner of this and they said they're done with it. So I've basically scored myself a vacuum cleaner out of it. Let's take that back off to reassemble. There we go, it just comes off. Now it's just a case of cleaning that up. Clean that dust bag out. Those there, they go on either side there. There's like 2 holes. Let's put them on. They go on there like that somehow. Something like that, I believe. There's obviously a left and the right one. L and R, there we go. So that's the right one. It does go on there somehow, but I will figure it out. One goes on there like that and the other one goes on there like that. So there we go. Again, people, thanks for watching.